Hey there, smart fans. Ed, the Tech Simple Texan here, bringing you tips on how technology can help reduce the friction in your life. As promised, this video shows the BIOS settings I made that enable me to turn on my PC with Alexa. First, a little background. I have an ASUS ROG-STRIX B550F gaming Wi-Fi motherboard with an AMI BIOS. You have to have your PC power supply plugged into a smart outlet or plug. I use a smart outlet, but a plug will work just as well. So, let me show you what settings I changed in my system. As your PC is booting up, you will need to hit F2 or delete to access your BIOS. Once in the BIOS, you'll need to be in advanced mode. With ROG, that is the default. If you have a tough gaming or other motherboard, the default is typically easy mode. So you'll need to hit F7 or select advanced mode. First, I need to change what the motherboard does after a power loss. So I go to the Advanced tab, APM configuration, Restore AC Power Loss. I have mine set to power on. Now, when you have Alexa turn on your outlet or plug, your PC will interpret that as the power being restored and turn the power on to the PC and begin the boot process. I also went into BIOS settings and made sure that fast boot after AC power loss was enabled. Again, because this is to be convenient and time-saving. Then I simply select Exit, Save Changes, and Reset. This will save the changes made and reboot my PC. And it's as simple as that. Now, Alexa can turn my PC on and off for that matter. This solution also works with Google Nest Home Hub if that is what you have controlling your outlet or plug. I have both in my home so that I can keep up with all the new features and functionality of each of them. A few final notes. This is recommended for people that are familiar with changing BIOS settings. Having incorrect BIOS settings can definitely cause issues with your PC. The BIOS settings are also specific to your motherboard, and this probably won't work on older PCs, but I believe these settings are available on most current generation motherboards. Also, it's never a good idea to turn off your PC without properly shutting down Windows first. The AC power at the wall needs to be off in order for this to work. My next video will describe how I set up Alexa to control the power to my PC. Oh, and yes, I do love that Samsung G9 monitor, especially now that I'm having to edit videos. I hope you found this helpful, and I would appreciate it if you would hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and remember, a smarter home leads to smarter living.